Thanks for joining me. I've got a 24 by 24 canvas ready to go. It's a pretty large one. It's a stapled back artist loft 24 by 24. It's a little bit on the pricier side, but I really wanted to do a chain pull, a full length one with double link chains. So I've got cerulean blue on half and Bahama blue on the other half, which is more of a greenish blue. And we're going to do some dots and pull the chain all the way around and see how it turns out. Wish me luck. All right, I'm going to do black, navy, actually black and the sugar plum blue, which is very close to navy. I've got some brilliant blue as well, some sky blue, a little bit of a light green, which my lighting for some reason seems to be really off. I'm going to have to look into that. Deep turquoise, and a little bit of white I'm probably going to do as well. We'll see. Kind of play it by ear. I'm going to do puddle dots all the way across. That's my plan. So first I'm going to do a black one in the middle-ish I should say. I'm going to do it right about here. So that's my first one. Try and get them approximately the same size. But it's abstract art, so nothing has to be perfect. Okay. Then I'm going to put some mint green in there. I think I'm going to go a line across. Now this is a little bit lighter than the Bahama blue, so should be good. Then I'm going to do turquoise. Gonna be a lot of paint on here. Then let's do light green. Do a little bit down here at the end too. Okay. I'm going to do my brilliant blue. I think I'm just going to do a line right down the middle of all these colors. And sky blue. I know it's not looking like much right now, is it? Okay. Now I don't have any of my sugar plum on there yet. Let's do that. Right in the middle. Okay. Now please remember everyone, if you haven't done so, hit subscribe. Like if you like the painting. Let me know what you think. Share with your friends. Make comments. I'd love to hear from you. All right. I think that's about all the color we need. Now I've got my chain doubled up here. And I'm going to lay it right across the length of this canvas, laying my link right in the middle-ish. Okay, this chain's going on this side. And this one's going to go down more on this side. There we go. Well, let's see how this turns out. I'm just going to start pulling it tight. Go around my table. Hopefully I don't run out of microphone cord. That would be funny. I'm going to go all the way to the next chain. Hopefully I haven't dipped my microphone cord in here. Oh, yeah, I did. Great. We'll fix that. Okay. Just keeping it real, people. Just keeping it real. Okay, so now I'm going to do this one. That's funny. I knew I was going to do it too. I predicted it. But that's okay. It's all in the fun of art. And this is looking very cool. I'm going to keep pulling it. Stopping right about there. Well, you know what? I still got paint that wants to blend. So I think I'm just going to keep it going until the big blob of paint that's sitting here keeps moving. So I'm putting my cord right back in my painting again, aren't I? Of course I am. Okay, I'm going to go back this way and then back this way. Pulling it off. I have too much green up there. I'm gonna have to fix that. Okay, let's grab that chain. You know what? I might lose my microphone for a minute, but I'm taking this off so I don't wreck my painting. Hopefully you'll still be able to hear me. Okay. Definitely want to get more of that paint moving. Lay that there. Lay this one here. More color, more color, more color. There we go. A bit more color in there. Sometimes you just got to work the paint a little bit more. Okay. Well, that's interesting enough. Put that aside over here. No, I don't like how that didn't work out so well. Okay, let's fix that. I am going to do blue. I'm going to do some here. I know adding more paint is kind of crazy, right? But you got to do what you got to do. Definitely don't want to add any more green in there. Too much already. Oops. This green's okay. Okay, and then some black. Definitely here, 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 maybe a little bit here, here. That'll line up with what we already have. Okay, is that enough color added in? Maybe a little bit of white. You never go wrong with white. Okay, now 2 more silver chains will do the trick. Sorry if you guys can't hear me, I'll try and talk a little louder. Just got to connect my silver chains, some clean ones. And lay my chain down. I think I'm going to do it right here. I'll lay this one here. Hold this one. Get some striped colors happening where I need it. Much better. Okay. Whoops. Kind of lost the paint there, but that's okay. One more swipe through. Finish off down here. Okay. Much happier with that. Okay. Now, what else do I need to do to this painting? I added so much color on here. Let's give it a torch. See what's happening. Seems like we got lots happening here and nothing up top, which that's a first for me. So I'm going to, what am I going to do? Torch it a little bit more or do some, I'm going to have patience, have a little bit of patience, Sandy, and torch it some more. Lots of cell stuff happening right here. There we go. Now, I really like this end here, not crazy about that end. So I might just take my blow dryer to this and see what happens. Got a little bit of white, you know what, I'm going to do it. I can't screw up much more than I already have, so. The wonderful world of abstract art. Let's get some more blue happening right around here. And maybe some plum. Just a little bit of sugar plum to add some darkness. Okay, I'm going to give it a blow dry. actually looks really cool. Let me give it a torch. There we go. I'm actually really happy with that now. Perfect. It's got lots of cell action happening in the center. It's got cell action down the sides to match, a little bit on the corners. Excellent. Thanks very much for watching, everyone.